Hey, I'm Stephen Foskett from Gestalt IT, and we are here in the offices of Gestalt IT, where we have decided to give a try to a new wireless system. These are the Ubiquiti UniFi access points. We bought three of these things. They're Wi-Fi 6 Lite access points. They have dual band 2x2 MIMO, which is pretty much what's in with the latest and greatest machines these days. So if you bought like one of the M1 MacBooks or something, this is essentially the same wireless that you've got there. Technically, it's up to like 1,200 gigabits, or megabits, but you're not going to get that. 1.2 gigabits is what it says, but you're really not going to get that. The important thing is that it's the latest version of Wi-Fi, supports lots of clients. The other thing about Ubiquiti is that they have a really nice management system that does all sorts of things, including user experience, device tracking, so like people entering and exiting the network and stuff like that. And it integrates nicely with Home Assistant, which is another thing that a lot of people are enthusiastic about. So let's go ahead and open it up and check out the new, again, this is the UniFi U6 Lite access point, which just recently came out. So we're gonna take a look. So inside the beautiful cardboard box, actually I have to say I love the fact that it comes in like a plain cardboard box because it's recyclable, and all the instructions are actually on the back of the box for mounting, so there's not like a separate like blow-in card or anything. So it comes with a little packet of screws and wall anchor stuff. Inside it's in like another nice little paperboard thing. The problem is when I opened up the other ones, I pulled it out upside down and it fell on the floor, which is not so great. LEDs inside this circle that kind of glow to show the status of the thing. It has a single reset button and a PoE port, and that's the entire thing. It also comes with this little card. If you scan that QR code, which I'm not going to show you, it takes you to the setup instructions, which is pretty nice. It comes with a steel mounting plate and a plastic mounting plate, so you can put them on the wall or on the ceiling. That's basically all it comes with. Before you set this up, you're going to want to get, if it's your first time using Ubiquiti, you're going to want to get the controller up and running. You can download that for Mac or PC or Debian, or as I did, a Docker container from the Docker hub, and then you can have that up and running. You get that set up with your Ubiquiti login, and then when you plug this in, it'll sort of detect it and everything will set up right. If you do it in the wrong order, if you set this up alone as a standalone AP, which you can do, it's just not going to be as much fun, because then you're going to have to want to mess around with it and reset it in order to get it associated with the controller, or use it without a controller, which again is really not what you want to do, because then you're missing out on a lot of the features. But that's it. So again, this is the UniFi U6 Lite access point, and I'm Stephen Foskett from Gestalt IT.